Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you love an amazing cup of coffee and you want to be able to elevate your game and create one at home, you should definitely check out this Breville coffee grinder.
This stainless steel Breville coffee grinder makes it really easy to seem like you're an expert in espresso, even when you're really not. And it's got a couple of really foolproof features that make that easy. Obviously, it perfectly fits your espresso holder, which is nice, but it has a couple of other great things about it as well. It's a minimal amount of parts, so it's just got an easy to pull out tray, which you can clean, and the hopper itself is really easy to fill. It'll hold 12 ounces of coffee beans. It also has a couple of ways to adjust it and make sure that you are getting the perfect espresso pull. One is the coarseness. So that's going to be the top round thing that you can adjust. It takes a little bit of trial and error to find the perfect coarseness in your grind so that your espresso is pulling at the right pressures. Once you get it though, it stays in place. And then the bottom allows you to just adjust the amount of time that it's grinding so you get the perfect amount each time. Once you get the settings right, it's really foolproof.
We love the simplicity of this coffee grinder, and it has made a great companion to our espresso maker. It's so easy to just go from one to the other, and by getting the settings just right, it is so reproducible. It grinds a perfect shot of espresso every single time. We've loved it. I think you're going to love it, and that's my point of view.